I want to talk to you guys about humbling yourself, especially when you come to Africa. You know, understanding that things are not easy here. You know, the things that we used to cry about, or the things that we complain about, let's say in Europe, it's not easy. You know, there are a lot of things, like for example the things we take advantage of, you know, like just Wi-Fi alone, your mobile phone, gadgets and stuff like that. Those things are not, they're not necessary things. All I could say is that learn to humble yourself, learn to have respect for others, and learn to value yourself, and learn to value people around you. You know, as you know, Africa is a very interesting place, but you have to be humble, and you have to be grateful, and you have to respect yourself. It's not like where you could just come in, you know, think everybody will fall on their knees, you know, to help you with their money and stuff. Sometimes you have to humble yourself, and sometimes you have to appreciate the things that you have, you know, and work with what you have. And it's not easy, like for example, all the time, you know, money won't solve all your problem in Africa. It helps, don't get me wrong, but it depends how good you are with your money. It depends how you good with budgeting your money, how you good with understanding money itself. Because you know, you look at the currency, you think, oh shit, I know for Guinea, for example, £100 will give you maybe 1,500,000, but that goes quick. You know, that really goes very quick, and you could lose that within, you know, like within 2 hours. You know, and the foods are expensive. You know, food is expensive. Like, I'm been traveling up and down the country, and even that is very expensive, right? It's not an easy thing where you could come in and you think that, oh, because I have lots of dollars or pound, that I have plenty of money to play around with. It's not easy. They don't think like that, you know. Of course, the rate is not that good, and it depends who you go to get the money from, right? But of course, at the same time, you could go to an ATM and withdraw cash and so on and blah blah blah. If you have an account here, then you could do a transfer. But all I'm trying to say to yourself is just humble yourself. You know, when you come here, be humble. You know, ask for help. Don't think throwing away money will solve all your problem. Ask for help. People are willing to help you if you ask for help. You know, people are not, of course, not everybody you could trust. You know, at the same time, most of the people that you do give money to and they do mess you up, sometimes it's kind of your fault. You know, because you're naive. You think, man, would you do the same thing you're doing if you're living in, let's say, in America or in London or in Europe? No, you wouldn't do the same thing. So why do you think when you come here there's a difference? Because you're naive. You're being naive, and that's where the problem lies. You know, that's what I'm saying. I need to be humble. Humble yourself. It's better to humble yourself than come in here thinking that because you have certain amount of money, that, you know, people will just do whatever you want. No. And there are a lot of people in this country who have lots of money. Man, I've seen some crazy cars that I haven't even seen in England. You know, I've seen some people who have, by the way, this is a beautiful view, isn't it? Take this view. It's a beautiful stadium. It's the General Lansana Contest Stadium. I've got a gym membership here, so I come in and I just use the gym, and they let me walk around the stadium and stuff, which is really amazing for these guys. I really appreciate these guys. Hopefully no one will come and chase me right now. And but anyway, not to digress, you know, enjoy the show. Come here, humble yourself, you know, understand that things are not going to be easy. Things will be challenging for one or two people, but you know, you take your time. Everything in life is time. Objective on your goals, you know. Once you have your objective on your goals, you know. But all I could say, ask for help. Humble yourself. If you need to ask for help, ask for help. Don't come in here thinking, you know, you're going to do everybody, or they're going to rip you off, blah, blah, blah. Don't think like that, you know. Have an objective, have a goal, you know. Look, I want to achieve, say you want to buy a land, buy one land or two land. But just take your time, find the right people, or you will find the wrong people, you know. If it's too good to be true, don't do it, you know. Like always, you know, we have the brain to think for ourselves, you know, we have the body, we have the mind to think for ourselves, you know. Think for yourself. Don't take things too personal, and humble yourself. Ask for help. That's all I'm saying. If you're gonna go big, you need people, you need allies, you know. You don't need enemies, you need allies. We all need allies, you know. We need people to help us to achieve our goals, and sometimes it's the way forward. We definitely need allies. We need people to help us. Yeah, I think the African football is going to start on the 9th in Cameroon. It's going to be amazing to spend time in Africa. Definitely watch some football, you know, enjoy the show and stuff like that. I'm in a beautiful stadium. I love this stadium. It's such an amazing, beautiful stadium. Yeah, but anyway, guys, that's my thought for the days. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully, you know, I'll do more videos like this, and you guys would, you know, learn something, like I will learn something myself. But all right then, again, like, subscribe, and leave the comment below. Tell me what you think about the stadium. Give me your honest opinion about the stadium. Again, if you're in Guinea-Conakry, come to General Lansana Conté Stadium. Beautiful stadium. It's empty now, so it's a bit calm, peaceful. And I'm going to hit the gym now. I'm gonna go and do some running and push some weight. Push some weight. I can't even say the word push. Push some weight. Too many French. Yeah. Well, guys, enjoy your day. As always,